Okay students, in last video we have covered almost all the content of the chapter, but still there was one topic which was left, that is India's neighbor. So now I'm going to discuss India's neighbor. As you all know that India occupies important strategic position, and basically India is a South Asian country as discussed before. India has 29 states and 7 union territories, but now the data is changed. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Students, just see this map. You will find that India shares land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. That is China, also known as Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So Sri Lanka is separated from India. If you see in the map, you will see that Sri Lanka is separated from India. That is by a narrow channel of sea formed by Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. While Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. If you see the map, you can just see beside Sri Lanka you will find Lakshadweep Island. So this Lakshadweep Island is situated to the south, okay, and Maldives is also situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. So students, I hope now it's clear to you India's neighboring countries, where are they located and how India shares its boundaries with them. Neighboring is all about how India shares land boundaries with other countries, and what are the countries which shares land boundaries with India. So as per the map description I told you all, same I'm telling you here. As per your book NCERT, it's mentioned here that India shares land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. First of all, you should have knowledge of the direction, students. Then only you can understand what is northwest, what is northeast. Okay, hopefully you have the knowledge of east, west, north, south, and so as northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. So India shares land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China also known as Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea, if you see the map, just now I showed you the map. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. So just have a glimpse of map. Student, you can see here what I told you right now, that India shares land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northeast. You can easily locate. See here, you can see that Pakistan and Afghanistan, you can see here Pakistan and Afghanistan, which is to the northwest side. China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Just see here China, Nepal and China, they are in the north, whereas Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. So Myanmar and Bangladesh is in the east. See students, you can see here, okay. And our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries. They are namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. So it's easily visible here if you see Sri Lanka, okay, and then Maldives. Now Sri Lanka is separated by the Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. Okay, you can see Maldives is to the south of Lakshadweep. So hence I think it's clear to you all. So therefore we can say that India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Now just go through the maps. Okay, try to locate all these neighboring countries without seeing. Take a blank map and locate these neighboring countries. So this will make you quite clear about India's neighboring countries. Thank you students. Hopefully we have completed the content and it's clear to you all. Thank you.